Hello, Kuya August. What makes you smile, Kuya August?
Hi, good afternoon sa mga viewers po ni Ate Ventures, no? What makes me smile? Wow, every day is a blessing. So, we must smile every day, no? But what makes me smile, of course, I'm surrounded with beautiful people like like you all, no? So, and of course, siyempre, we have a good project that always making us inspired and smile every day, no, by helping others. So that's the foundation why we are always smiling every day, because many people can appreciate what we are doing. No? And that's gives me an inspiration to extend, what we are doing right now para mas marami pa tayong matulungan with these people like you. So, marami pong dahilan para maging masaya tayo everyday. Kung kontento tayo sa ginagawa natin, sabi ko nga, surrounded with people that, magaan kasama, nagkakaintindihan, masaya, yung fellowship natin laging nandun. So, yun po ang mga kumbaga ginagawa natin everyday na nagiging daan para mas ma-appreciate natin yung araw, mas ma-appreciate natin yung bawat oras ng ating buhay. Sabi nga yan,
Another question. How often do you smile?
well, always, why there is no room for me to make mad to others, no? Kasi wala namang ano yan, walang bayad kung magiging kuha tayo, magaan makisama sa kapwa. Wala ring mangyayari kung medyo, sabi nga yan, bitter tayo sa kapwa, di ba? So, I think every minute of our life, is a good opportunity for us to smile.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you very